Okay, beta. So see the next questions. See, list any three reasons why you would think that you are sick and ought to see the doctor. If any of these symptom were present, would you still go to the doctor, and why or why not? But this is the value based question. They are asking you that if you are getting any sign and symptom, would you like to go to doctor or not? If you are going, then why? What is the reason? If you are not going, then what is the reason? That is value based. So you have to attempt it according to you. So see the next one. In which of the following case do you think the long term effect will be there on your health? If you are getting jaundice, so bache, definitely if you are getting jaundice, your liver is going to be attacked. Okay, so that means you have to face a lot of trouble, and might be lifetime your liver is not working properly. Okay, so in jaundice you will get a lot of it is a chronic disease, and your body have to suffer for a long period of time. On the next on the hand, bache, if you're getting any lysis, so lysis, bache, in Punjabi we are calling it as jua. Okay, so which are there in the head. Okay, small insects which are there in your head. Okay, so on the other hand, beta, that will not cause any trouble. Okay, not causing a lifetime trouble. On the other hand, if you are getting an acne, so but acne, that is just a short term effect. Okay, so small pimple which will go with its own time, so it is not having any long effect on the body. Okay, so which is next is the age infectious agents. So bache, the infectious agents are those which are spreading the infection. Okay, so infectious agent can be wind, it can be water, it can be formite, it can be vector. Okay, so that we have already discussed. Now moving to the next one, that comes the means of spread of disease. So bache, first of all, we have already discussed that various type of diseases are there. Some are airborne disease, some are waterborne disease, some are formite borne, and some are vector borne. And one and foremost and very important one, some they are STDs. STDs are these are sexually transmitted diseases. So, bache, those diseases which spread by the means of sexual intercourse, those diseases are called as sexually transmitted diseases. For example, AIDS. Okay, so most important one is AIDS, another one syphilis and gonorrhea, which is a bacterial disease, and they are not causing any long term effect. Okay, they can be curable, but AIDS is a viral disease, and this is non curable disease. Okay, it doesn't have any cure. Okay, it is affecting our immune system, which is destroying our health, and ultimately the result of the disease is death.